One of the best representatives of the Indian community's generosity is Neena Gadodia, wife of Brevard cardiologist Dr. Gopal Gadodia. The Indian Harbour Beach resident founded India Fest almost 2 decades ago, and today this major Brevard event not only raises awareness of India's vast cultural heritage, but it also generates thousands of dollars for Brevard nonprofits. Each year, India Fest donates to a wide range of local charities including Crosswinds, Daily Bread, American Red Cross, Yellow Umbrella, and the Space Coast Early Intervention Center. Thanks to Gadodia and India Fest, Florida Tech was the beneficiary of a $100,000 endowment gift, and a few years back, the organizers raised an impressive $229,000 for an orphanage in India. On another occasion, Gadodia and the other India Fest organizers were able to raise $180,000 towards a new building for Crosswinds Youth Services. Additional recipients of support from India Fest are the Children's Hunger Project and Wounded Veterans Associations, among many others. For years, Gadodia also worked with Dr. Silas Charles in the popular Taste of India, generating a large volume of funds for nonprofits in Brevard. As chair of one of Habitat for Humanity's events, Gadodia helped to raise money necessary to complete a Habitat home for a grateful, hard-working Palm Bay family. For many years, Gadodia was on the board of directors of Crosswinds Youth Services, served on the board of Holy Trinity Episcopal Academy, volunteered to help enhance Florida tourism, and even helped put on a dancing and modeling show for boys and girls clubs. For 9 years, she was the go-to person for the process of building the beautiful Manav Mandir Temple in Suntree. All in all, Neena Gadodia's community involvement has a long and diverse history, and she continues to give back and have a profound effect on the living fabric of Brevard. A true advocate for those in need and a 2014 Doctors Goodwill Ambassador, Neena Gadodia.